If you want to apply for a business license in Georgia, the first step is to understand the requirements for your business structure. Corporations, LLCs, and partnerships need to check registration rules with the Georgia Secretary of State before moving forward. Sole proprietors can usually register directly with the Department of Revenue as individuals. Next, decide if you need an Employer Identification Number or EIN from the IRS. This is required for most business structures. To apply, you'll need basic details such as the legal name and address of your business, along with the information of the owner or responsible party. You'll also need to know your NAICS code, which identifies the type of business you run. You can look this up ahead of time or during the registration process. After that, figure out which tax types apply to your business. Depending on your industry, you may need to register for sales tax, withholding tax, or other state taxes. Each tax type comes with its own ID numbers and possible permits. Once you've confirmed all that, register through the Georgia Tax Center. This is where you officially set up your tax accounts and obtain the numbers and permits your business needs to operate legally in the state. To complete the registration, you'll need information gathered in previous steps, the contact information for the person who will use the login you're setting up, the registration fees or taxes. Once your request is submitted, you should receive your specific tax account number within 15 minutes by email.